Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You open Meesho and register as a seller or reseller. Make sure KYC documents are scanned and accurate. Start by selecting one focused niche. This lowers competition and speeds learning. Once done, list 10 high-potential SKUs with crisp photos and clear titles. Good images convert. While listing, set realistic margins and shipping options so you can compete on price and profit. Keep descriptions concise, highlight benefits, sizes, and return policy. This gets you active immediately and ready for traction. Next, focus on optimization and customer flow. Rewrite titles using search keywords Meesho shows and place items in precise categories so buyers find them. Once live, test pricing with small bundles or time-limited discounts to increase conversion. Monitor margins so you stay profitable. Make shipping reliable. Pack well and upload tracking promptly. Use saved reply templates for common queries and proactively message buyers after purchase. These steps raise your visibility and maintain ratings. Better ratings drive organic orders and repeat customers. Finish the process by scaling what works. Boost top listings with paid ads, partner with micro-influencers, and keep tight inventory control so you don't oversell. Once orders stabilize, analyze return reasons and customer feedback weekly. Update listings to reduce future issues. If a problem happens, delayed courier, mismatched item, or payment hold, document screenshots, order ID, and timestamps, then escalate to Meesho support immediately. If support stalls, politely escalate via chat and social channels. Persistence and evidence usually resolve holds and restore sales quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.